I was sent these rechargeable table lamps to try out, so let's open them up. Here is the manual. Has all of the information on it. It's just a touch control. So let's set them up here. This is a 2-pack. You can see I touched, it's just a touch lamp. So you can touch them and you turn it on. So let's put them together. It does come with 2 different chargers. This looks like a C-type, so you have a charger for each one. Here's the base, which is nice. It has like a little rubberized base, so you're not gonna nick up some of your cable or whatever you're putting it on. So this is a 2-pack. You just simply screw this in here. And then this screws into the base. And then this will screw in there. This is where you charge it. So let's just screw that in. If I just do a quick press, that's just going to go through the modes, okay? But if I press it and then hold it, that's going to, you can see it's dimming it. And then I go to the next one, hold it down, and that makes it even brighter. Press it quick, hold it down, and then that's going to make it dimmer. So one quick press will cycle through, and then holding it down will adjust your brightness level. I like it warm, so I'm gonna leave it there. And look at that. It is nice and tall. So it looks like it's about, all the way to the top, it looks like it's about maybe 15.5 inches from the base to the very tip top. But nice design, really beautiful. I am loving that. Super quick and easy. Hold to adjust the brightness. I love it. So this is gold, and it has just the tiniest bit of texture to it. And so you can kind of see it catches the light a little bit. So I wouldn't say that it was bright gold. I think it's a nice kind of a muted gold. It is a warmer gold though. So I really like that. You can see there is the on-off button that you just press. Very cool. So I'm going to use mine right now on my table because of course you don't have a cord in the middle of your table. In a dinner party, you need some extra light, you can put it there. And since it's a 2-pack, you can put one on each end of the table, and that way you have some extra ambiance again for your dinner party. So I'm loving them. Check them out.